Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So I have a new video to bring you, and unfortunately you probably already know what it's about before I even say anything. Like I said, car manufacturers nowadays are having a lot more issues than what we're used to, and this time it's Honda just announced a brand new recall on one of its 2025 vehicles. So let me go ahead and share exactly what just came out, what you need to do. So like I said, this just came out about a week ago. And if you remember the last video I did, it was on the 2025 Acura MDX, and it had to do with the rear view camera going black while you're reversing, which could lead to an accident. Well, this is kind of the counterpart. Affects the 2025 Honda Pilot, but it's totally different than what that vehicle had issues with. So this one is a little bit more important, I feel like, to get fixed right away. So supposedly the third row passenger seatbelt assembly may not function because of the way it was then improperly routed. That can actually trap the seatbelts behind the passenger side panel. So anytime it comes to do with like the safety, like this kind of thing, as far as like seatbelts may not properly work, I advise you to call your local dealer, give them your VIN number, and see if yours is one of the affected ones if you do have a 2025 Honda Pilot, because that can be a major thing. And it doesn't even state on here exactly what happens. It just says that they may not properly function. So imagine you're in a little accident and they become unlatched just because of the way they're routed. That's a major thing. I mean, you want your seatbelt to properly function, or the other side of it is if you latch it and then you go hit the button to release the seatbelt and it doesn't release. That could be a major issue too. So again, with this one, if you guys just purchased a 2025 Honda Pilot and it doesn't specify what trim either, so if you have one of those, definitely give your dealer a call. The Honda number for the recall is ZL4. So you just refer to ZL4 as the recall, and then they can look it up in their system and see if yours is affected per VIN. And then, of course, if it's affected, they'll replace the whole third row passenger seatbelt assembly for the new revised one that they just have. So again, it happens. Brand new cars being produced, things happen, and then they find out shortly after that there's issues with it. So it's good that they're on top of these things and they're getting them out, because I feel like it happens every week. There's some recall from Honda or Acura. But on the flip side is that we're getting these repaired ASAP. And so far, they're just contained within certain vehicles, like I said. So at least this one is only the 2025 Honda Pilot as of right now. And I'll keep you guys posted if something expands where it includes other vehicles, or it just happens to be this one because it's their third row vehicle. So again, I'll keep you guys informed. I just wanted to let you guys know that because it is important. This is the kind of one that I would get taken care of right away, especially if you use a third row. Like I said, safety is always number one. So again, just call your dealer, let them know the ZL4 recall number, and they can look that up and get it taken care of ASAP. So I just want to keep you guys in the loop. Hope everyone's having a great day out there, staying safe. I appreciate it as always, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.